The Azento order process includes 5 steps: prescription, scans, review and place order, design review, and complete order. This video will guide you through the 2 last steps. Step 4 includes guidance for how to review the treatment proposal and how to make changes to the design, while Step 5 helps you confirm the order. You will be notified via email when the treatment proposal is available for review in the case management portal within 1 business day after your order placement. Go to the order information and press Review Treatment Proposal. The viewer will show you the treatment proposal from different perspectives, and you can switch between different views. You will get a quick start tour that explains all the different functionalities the first time you open the viewer. If you decide to approve the treatment proposal, you simply hit the Approve button at the bottom right corner. Note that the manufacturing process of your products will start after this approval. If you want to make changes to the treatment proposal, you can either describe the changes and let the Sirona design team provide a new treatment proposal, or you can edit the case yourself using an editor. Let's first look at how you can submit a change request through describing the changes. Click at Make Changes and clearly describe the changes you want to do. Thereafter, press Submit Changes. The comments will be sent to the design team, and you will receive a new treatment proposal to review within 1 business day. You can also modify the treatment proposal yourself in the editor. To modify the implant, click on Modify Implant to open this implant editor. This is a separate software that needs to be installed before it can be used. Note that you have multiple view options in the editor. You can adjust the implant position and you can change the model of the implant. Make the changes you want to do, and thereafter click on Approve and Upload. Your changes to the implant planning will be sent to Sirona's design team, who redesigns the restoration and simplant guide according to the updated implant position. You will receive a new complete treatment proposal to review within 1 business day. To modify the abutment or crown design in the editor, click on Modify Restoration. Note that you must approve the implant position before making any changes to the restorative design. The Atlantis editor is a standalone desktop application, and you will be prompted to install it on your computer the first time you open it. The editor launches in view mode. Click Show Editor on the right control panel to start editing. The tabs in the editing panel to the left will show various design parameters. When you are satisfied with the design modifications, you can approve the restoration design by clicking the checkbox in the top left corner. The case with your requested changes will be sent to design technicians, and the manufacturing of the products will be initiated. Let's now look at the 5th step. After the treatment plan is approved, the final step is to review and complete the order. Make sure that the order information is correct and decide if you want to add any optional instruments to your order. Thereafter, click Complete Order. Your order will be shipped from Sirona within 5 business days, and you can see the treatment proposal whenever you want and track the order during shipment. Questions? We are here for you. You can find email and phone number to your local customer service representative on the Contact Us page at orderdigitalsolutions.com.